Hello everyone, welcome back or to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Nom Nom to Fitness. I'm here eating my yellow watermelon. Today I have another what I eat in a day video. I'm starting off with something healthy, some watermelon. And I'm just going to show you what I'm going to be eating for the remainder of the day. It's so juicy. I love watermelon. This is my first time having a yellow watermelon though. Didn't even know they had yellow watermelon. Ooh, that's splattering all over me. For breakfast, I had some tofu scramble and I had some of the Beyond sausage. I've always seen it in the grocery store, but this time I actually bought it and it's pretty good. I got the spicy one, even though it was not spicy at all. I don't know why. I don't know what the definition of spicy is, but that was not spicy. But it was good and I will buy it again. So if you're looking for a vegan sausage alternative, then Beyond sausage is a good choice. So I started off by cooking 2 of the Beyond breakfast sausages, and I just cooked it until it was brown on both sides. Then I crumbled in a half block of extra firm tofu to make some tofu scramble. I seasoned it with a little bit of sea salt, black pepper, I added some turmeric for color, and a little bit of garlic powder. Then I added in some spinach, and I sliced up some cherry tomatoes, and I tossed that in as well. And towards the end, once I turned the flame off, I added a little bit of black salt to give it an eggy flavor. One of my favorite things to make now is sushi because it's very easy and it's healthy. You can get all your veggies in. You can use white or brown rice. You can just make it however you want. For lunch, I make some sushi burritos. I always want to start off by making actual sushi, but for some reason, it just doesn't work. I have to get a sharper knife because you really need a sharp knife to cut through the nori and to make the small pieces. So I always end up with a sushi burrito, which is still good, so I'm not complaining. So these are the nori sheets that I use. I got these from Thrive Market, but they also have them at Sprouts and other grocery stores. It's very delicate, so be gentle. As you can see, it ripped a little bit on the side. So I'm adding some sushi rice. This is short grain basmati rice, and I'm just spreading it gently with a wooden spoon. And I'm topping it with some fresh spinach. And I'm also adding some sweet potato fries. I tossed a little bit of grapeseed oil on these, some black pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of cayenne. I'm just going to roll this up like a burrito. For the next one, I'm adding the same things, but I'm also adding some avocado. I forgot to add the spinach, so I'm just trying to sneak it in there. And for dinner, I kept it simple with a veggie stir fry, added some broccoli and mushrooms to the pan, and then I topped it with a stir fry sauce. So I'm sauteing half a yellow onion diced in a skillet with a little bit of grapeseed oil, and I also added 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Once that's brown, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and 2 teaspoons of minced ginger. Let that cook down for about 2 minutes, and now I'm adding in a head of chopped broccoli. And I'm also adding in a package of crimini mushrooms. And I added about 1/4 cup of water and I covered it and I let it simmer on low heat just until the broccoli and mushrooms are tender. While that cooked, I prepared the stir-fry sauce, which is 1/3 cup of low-sodium soy sauce, 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil, 2 tablespoons of liquid sweetener, I used agave, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Once the broccoli was finished, I turned the flame off and I added the stir-fry sauce. I also added in a handful of shredded carrots. My mom made some delicious vanilla vegan cake with a cream cheese frosting and raspberries on top. I'm telling you, it is so good. I absolutely devoured it. So that was my dessert. So that is everything that I ate today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'd appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.